How to create subcategories in Wix 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through subcategories and how you can create them on Wix in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you are going to be coming over to your Wix, and here in the catalog section, you're going to have the category section. So what you're going to do is you're going to add as many categories as you want to, okay? So once you've added all of your categories, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Wix website editor. Now, in your Wix website editor, you're going to make sure that you have the Wix forum application. You can find it right over here. You're going to go over to Add Apps. And once you go over to Add Apps, here you're going to click on Search Apps and you're simply going to write forum. Now, once you write forum over here, you're going to find Wix Forum. As you can see, it's installed for me, but if it's not installed for you, do make sure to go ahead and do that. Now, once you've installed the Wix Forum, what you're going to do from here is you're going to go over to Manage. And once you go over to Manage Posts, you're going to click on the Settings section. And here it's going to say Manage Categories. So once we click on Manage Categories, it's going to open this section up. Now, if you want to create a subcategory, let's say this is my general discussion category, right? Now, I want to make these two the subcategory of general discussion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it and I'm going to bring it to the right and under it. So once that is done, you're simply going to drop it and you're going to do the same for this. And there we go. So general discussion is a main category and staff only questions and answers are the subcategories of this. So once this is done, simply back out of it. And once you have backed out of it, you're going to be able to see that you now have subcategories. So if I go over to preview, we have all posts over here. And now that we have all posts, you can see that the main posts have become a subcategory of all posts. So that's the best part about Wix and using its forum. So that is pretty much how you can create subcategories in Wix in 2024. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.